Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that financial freedom is possible for everyone, even broke college students. In today's video, we're going to discuss some investment strategies that can help you go from living off instant ramen to building wealth. Let's dive right in.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey everyone, I went through the struggles of being a broke college student, but managed to turn my financial situations around through smart investing. I want to share our experiences and strategies with you today. Investing may seem daunting at first, but it's important to start early, even with a limited budget. The power of compounding can work wonders over time. Our first strategy is to invest in low cost index funds. Index funds are a great option for beginners because they provide diversification and long term growth. Look for funds that track well known stock market indices, such as the S&P 500. They typically have low fees and are a safer investment compared to individual stocks. Another strategy we recommend is peer to peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money directly to individuals and earn interest on your investment. It's basically kind of like being your own bank. But remember, with peer to peer lending, there's always a risk of default. So it's important to diversify your investments across different loans to minimize potential losses. Now, let's talk about the power of dividend investing. Dividend paying stocks are companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, that being you. By investing in these stocks, you not only have the opportunity for capital appreciation, but also receive regular income in the form of dividends. Dividend investing can be a great source of passive income, especially for broke college students. Start by researching companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and a stable financial track record. Moving on, let's discuss the fascinating world of real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the need for large capital or being a landlord. These trusts own and manage income generating properties such as apartments, office buildings, and shopping centers. Investing in REITs can provide diversification, steady income, and the potential for long term growth. You can find publicly traded REITs on stock exchanges or consider investing in REIT ETFs for a broader exposure of the real estate market. And now, let's not forget about the power of budgeting and saving. As college students, it's crucial to manage your expenses wisely and set aside some money for investing. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses, like eating out frequently or buying brand name items, can free up funds for your investment goals. Saving money is the first step towards investing. And remember, even small amounts can add up over time, especially when you start early and stay consistent. So, keep track of your income and expenses and create a budget that works for you. And speaking of consistency, don't forget to automate your investments. Setting up automatic contributions to your investment accounts ensures that you consistently invest even if you forget to do it manually. Automation takes the effort out of investing and makes it a habit. It's like paying yourself first. Set it and forget it. Lastly, we highly recommend educating yourself about personal finance and investing. There are plenty of free resources available online, including books, blogs, and YouTube channels just like ours. The more you know, the better investment decisions you'll be able to make. Investing is a journey, and the more you learn, the more confident and successful you'll become. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start investing. So, to all our broke college students out there, don't let our current financial situation discourage you. With these investment strategies and a mindset geared towards long term wealth building, you can go from ramen to riches. It's time to take control of your financial future. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more tips on personal finance and investing, until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep investing.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.